How to backup and restore chat history on Line app. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the steps on how can you backup and restore chat history on the Line app. Now in order to do it, so you'll have to follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to make sure to update. Go to your respective app store. On the search box you want to type in Line and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Now click the open button and log into your Line application. From the home page, you want to click on the gear icon top right hand side corner, after which you want to go to this backup and transfer section, and under it you want to click on backup and restore chat history. Once you do it, so you want to make sure to click on backup now at the bottom of the page. So before that you have to go ahead and set up backup pin. So for that you want to go ahead and type in a 6-digit pin. For the confirmation you want to type in once, or you want to type in twice, and click the arrow icon at the bottom of the page. Now here you want to click on use anyway and you want to select the account. After you've selected the account, click the OK button. It's gonna take you to next page and click on start backup at the bottom of the page. It will take a couple of minutes, so just wait patiently and you'll have successfully backed up and restored chat history on the Line app. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.